Hey guys, it's Kim, and in this week's video we're doing the review of the imPRESS nails. I've seen a lot of the UK YouTubers and stuff doing doing brand deals, I guess you could say, with these type of nails. So I wanted to test them out for myself to see if they're actually really good or not. I know that in Canada, you can buy them at Walmart. At Walmart, they range from about $8.99 to $11.99. This set I bought, I believe, was $9.99. The more, I was gonna say, like, more you go, like, more glittery, more rhinestones and stuff like that, they are a bit more expensive. The more basic you go, the cheaper they are. You can get them at Lottens, I believe. You can get them on impressnails.com. I think that's it. Or you can get them at Boots on the UK website, but then you have to pay for, you know, the exchange rate and everything like that. So overall, I did love these nails. They're super easy to put on, and I will go into the clip now of me putting on these nails. It doesn't say what style it is, but it's just grey there with some sparkly ones. It includes 30 nails. It's the imPRESS ones, so there's no glue or anything required. But yeah, I figured I would give these a go, just because I'm someone who likes to paint their nails and stuff, but they chip really, really easily. So I said I would give these a try and let you guys know how these work. So here on the back is just instructions for you, what you to do to put the tab on the bottom by your cuticle, not on the top. So yeah, let's open these. So that's what it looks like when you open the packaging. Nails, and then there's a bunch up here. Oh, this must be your step one with your cuticle thing. Oh, and there's even like a nail file underneath that. It's fine. So it looks like step one is to prep your nails, step two is to remove adhesive layer, and step three is to stick it on your nail. So I guess what I'll do first is find out the nails and stuff that match me. So step one. There's the prep pad. Be to haul that off. They're really long. I will say though that if you stick these down in the wrong spot, they're really hard to get off. So this here is them long again compared to short. Obviously, it's personal preference what you prefer. Up for short nails. I will say though that it does take some getting used to. Like when you first put the nails on, your nails do feel kind of funny. But now I'm like used to this hand here having nails. So again, just gonna take these and cut these shorter. And just follow them down. As you can see, they're super easy to put on. You can adjust them to any nail length and stuff like that. Overall, they're really good. They lasted me about 5 days. But I will say probably they didn't last me as long as they would other people, just because my nails are very flat in the sense of they're not really curved. Like the nails in the imPRESS nail themselves are very curved. Like they're more of like a C shape, and my nails aren't as curved as that. They're more flatter, so they were lifting and stuff on the edges. And I will say that if water and stuff gets in them, it does break down the, like when you shower and stuff and wash your hair, that it does break down a little bit of the stuff, and that's where I got my lifting from. But for $8.99 and for them to last me about a week, I say it's fine, just because I'm not someone who does my nails very often. I kind of just do it for special occasions. But now since putting those nails on, I'm kind of obsessed with doing my nails. So I just painted my nails just for the sake of painting them. But I'm thinking I'm going to go get my nails done or go back and get more imPRESS nails. Like I know to buy or to go get your nails done here in town anyway, you're looking at least $50, between $50 and like $100 and something, depending on what type of nails you get and everything like that. So just paying $8.99 for a special event type of thing, if that's all you want your nails for, I think that's a perfect way to do it. Also, I loved how they make my hands look. I don't know, the nails just made me look more put together. Overall, the application was super easy and fast. They do have tons of different size nails and everything, so you make sure that you get the size that fits your nail. And you can adjust the length. As you've seen, I filed down the length of my nails just because I don't like really long nails, and some people love really long nails. So again, it's great that you can adjust the length yourself. One big positive though that I did find with these is that they didn't damage my nails. Like, I put them on, I didn't have to file the nails off before. You just had to wipe them with like a wipe, and then you stick the nails on. I peeled them off by the end of it just because they were lifting and stuff, and I didn't let them fall off, so I kind of like peeled them off. They didn't hurt my nails. I know, like, when you get fake nail stuff done, they file down your nails, so when your nails are done, they're right rough and they're right brittle, like you can bend them, everything like that. My nails were completely fine when I hauled off the nails. I had a little bit of like that tape stuck on some of the nails, but you can just easily like peel the tape off. So they didn't damage my nails. My nails had no damage, no discoloration, no nothing. They were completely fine like before I put the nails on. Yeah, I love the nails. If you guys want, I can leave some links below on where you can purchase the nails if I can find them online on Walmart and stuff like that. But if you guys like videos like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I guess we'll see you guys next week with another video. Thanks. Bye.